Hello friends, my name is Anurag Sason and I am an Indian journalist. Today I am going to do a review of DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone. It is a global product which is popular not only in Asia but throughout the world. In this video, I will tell you each and everything about this drone, how it flies, how it lands, and other important stuff. My friend Suhail Satar helped me in making this video. So let's start. Before the flight, you have to unfold the drone like this. Now let's talk about this remote. From this button you can on or off the remote. From this button you can pause any activity which the drone is doing, or you can call the gadget back to its place from where it has taken off. From this middle button you can set the speed of the drone to fast or slow.
लेकिन स्पोर्ट्स मोड में जैसा कि आप नाम से समझ सकते हैं, इसकी स्पीड काफ़ी तेज़ हो जाती है।
Now let's talk about these two joysticks. From left joystick you can ascend or descend your drone, and from the right joystick you can steer your drone to left, right, forward or backward. From this button you can control the movement of gimbal fixed in the drone, and from this button you can take photos or videos. Now let's see how this frog flies. Actually, I call it a frog because it looks very much like a frog. DJI Mavic Mini 2 is equipped with a 4K recording camera which provides extremely beautiful pictures. Company claims that the flight time is 31 minutes, but what I have noticed is that it flies 22 to 23 minutes depending on wind condition. DJI Mavic Mini 2 is an extremely lightweight drone. Weight of this drone is less than 250 grams. If we talk about its range, then the DJI company claims that it can go up to 200 meters vertically and up to 12 kilometers horizontally. This drone gets directly connected to GPS, so the flight is very stable and there are very less chances of it getting lost. Compared to other nations, the price of this drone in India is quite costly, and if you buy it online, it will cost you somewhere around 80 to 90,000. If you liked my review, then do comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Anurag Sason. Thanks for watching. I will meet you soon in some other video.
एक और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाजत।